Thank you for being here. Commend yourself for taking this brief but powerful break to get aligned. Allow yourself this moment to fully relax. Start by closing your eyes. Feet on the floor. Taking a deep, cleansing breath all the way in. Feel your lungs expand. And as you exhale, shake out, roll out, twist out anything you're holding on to. Do that again. Deep breath in all the way in. And when you're ready, let it all out, feeling more and more relaxed with each exhale. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaw. And once again, just let go of anything you're holding on to. Be right here, right now, in this moment. If your mind starts to wander, bring it back by focusing on your breath, observing as the air goes in through the nose and out. Maybe you want to place a hand on your chest and feel your lungs as you breathe in and breathe out. Perhaps add a light smile to your face and just remembering now that all is well. All of your core needs are met. You are safe. And knowing that, maybe you can let go just 10% more. Relax just 10% more. And know that right now, this is a new moment. You are doing wonderful work. Allow yourself to let go of any stress or overwhelm. It's not worth holding on to. The most empowering thing you can do is let go. Taking a deep breath right now, right here, and as you exhale, feel yourself surrender. It is a good day. You are your own project. How you show up is what matters. Focus on what you can do. And it doesn't all need to be done right now. Jim Rohn says, learn to work harder on yourself than you do your job. You are the main priority here. This is your life. This is your one wild and precious life. It's your movie. You run the show. Remember, you are one of a kind. You are a bright light that leaves people better than when you found them. Let it be light. Let it be easy. You are safe. You are protected. You are a creative genius. You are wise. You are worthy. You are loved. And you are appreciated. What are you grateful for? Coming back to gratitude is always a winning approach. Taking another deep breath in, all the way in. And slowly and gently exhale. And as you come back into the room, into this moment, Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. Look around and feel empowered. Feel in control. Feel grateful for this new moment. Enjoy the rest of your day. Find joy in the moments. Thank you for being here.